Welcome to this trigonometry lesson. Today, we are focusing on Quadrant 4 of the Cartesian plane. We will explore the sign patterns of sine, cosine, and tangent in this specific region. Understanding why these values are positive or negative is crucial for solving trigonometry problems accurately. First, let us locate the fourth quadrant. It is found in the bottom right section of the graph. This quadrant contains angles measuring between 270 degrees and 360 degrees. If you are working in radians, this corresponds to the range from 3 pi over 2 to 2 pi. To understand the math, look at the coordinates of any point P in this quadrant. To get here from the origin, we move to the right along the positive x-axis and then down along the negative y-axis. This means for any point in Quadrant 4, the x value is always positive and the y value is always negative. Recall the definitions of our three main trigonometric functions based on a right triangle. Sine is y divided by r cosine is x divided by r tangent is y divided by x. Remember, the radius, r, represents distance from the origin, so it is always a positive number regardless of the quadrant. Let us look at cosine first. Cosine is defined as the adjacent side, x, over the hypotenuse, r in the fourth quadrant. X is positive and r is positive. A positive number divided by a positive number gives a positive result. Therefore, cosine is always positive in Quadrant 4. Now consider sine. Sine is the opposite side, y over the hypotenuse, r here, our y value is negative because we are below the x-axis. Since r is positive, we have a negative divided by a positive. This results in a negative value. So, sine is always negative in Quadrant 4. Finally, let's look at tangent. Tangent is the ratio of y over x. We know y is negative and x is positive. When you divide a negative number by a positive number, the answer is negative. Thus, tangent is also always negative in this quadrant. An easy way to remember these signs is the CAST, or cast rule. Starting from the fourth quadrant and moving counterclockwise, it spells cast. The C stands for cosine, telling us that in Quadrant 4, only cosine is positive. The other primary functions are negative. Let's apply this to an example angle of 300 degrees. Since 300 is between 270 and 360, we know we are in Quadrant 4. Using our rules, cosine of 300 degrees will be positive, while sine and tangent of 300 degrees will be negative. To summarize, when working with angles in the fourth quadrant, remember this table. Cosine is the only positive function because it relies on the positive x-coordinate. Sine and tangent are both negative because they depend on the negative y-coordinate. Keep this in mind for your future calculations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.